there's no time to eat dinner. I mean, I just grabbed some groceries. Look at this weather. Let's get outside and sit on the back porch. No time for dinner. Let's just get, I bought some more peanuts for the critters, the birds. No, you can't see anything because there's no light on. I just got in the house. Looks too nice. Who wants to be inside right now? So let's get out here. There's go through the bedroom. No lights. We just gotta light the lamp. Gotta light the lamp. Let's get. Okay. Gotta light the lamp. Let's get the long matches. And we gotta get the little, because I know they see me. The wife. Okay. No, this isn't a phone holder, but let's do this for a minute. There's no hurry. I'm gonna put my phone down, but I wanna. See there? Look at that. Okay. Let's set it here for a minute. No, it won't fit there yet. What I want to do is light the lamp. What if, here we go. This will work. There. Just for the moment. Am I the only one excited to see the snow? Let's get out the bird feed. I'll show you what I got. Spin you around a little bit. Then we'll show the snow. No, it's not dark enough to really see it. But too, if it'll come around. You might hear the birds chirp in the background. Walnut, hazelnuts, Brazil nut. That's a good chopped up stuff. Peanuts. Gotta celebrate doing peanuts. Yeah, let's give them a whole. The treat I like, I eat the whole bag, so let's give them the whole bag. Some mealworms. Probably $8 in mealworm, but it looks really good on the snow. Okay, now let's add them. Some, you can't see it up here. Get ready to add some sunflowers to that. I bet you'd like to see what I'm doing. So let me carry you up here for a minute. Okay. First, look at that. Okay, so we got them some kind of expensive buying the pre-chopped pecans and things like that, but the squirrel likes all these choices of different kinds of nuts. There you go. Want to get warm for a minute? That's good. So let's get, I have a 50-pound container of what they love, black oiled sunflower seeds. I lay a little trail all along the handrail and in the plant containers without plants. Leave some up here. This way, the more dominant bully birds don't just sit and eat them. Look at that view. There we go. There are a few in there. They're not too expensive. I mean, it's just... Oh, I scared one off. Sorry. They can hear. I think as cold as it is, I need to sit on my porch swing. So by leaving a trail of sunflower seeds all down through there, all the non-dominant little birds can eat. There's one, see it? See, here we go. Okay, so they're hoping I hurry and go inside. So let's see. I should sit on my swing. Let's throw some out there too. Okay. Well, I'd like to sit out here on a porch swing. Oh, let's turn the porch lights on. Let's hang this up, then we'll go in and let them now before I go inside so the birds will come back. You can't see them, but they're in the little trees. See if I can catch one moving. Watch this. I want to zoom in. Hang on. Let me zoom in. My fingers are so cold I can't zoom in. See? See the little fella? They sit and they wait on me to go back inside. So, I would sit on my porch swing with coffee and watch the snow. But the little critter's been waiting on me to get home. Oh man, it feels good. So they have sunflower seeds, nuts, peanuts, wow, chestnuts, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts. Gosh, I forgot the name of it. And I'm a big spender. I'll buy these that's already, like I'm going to put on a cake, sliced for desserts and stuff like that, just to give them a little extra treat. Okay. Well, the weekend off is starting now, so let's go inside and give you all one last view before I go in and get comfortable. So, wonderful snow. They let us off work early because of the snow. That was a nice surprise. Look. Don't say a word. You see it? I'll hold the camera still. Don't say a word. So we've got the warm lantern. Should have plenty of kerosene. Got all kinds of feed out here. And I'm off until Monday. So I think it's up here enjoying the feed cake. The little square feed cakes in the feeders. So, okay. I guess I need to go inside and let them have their treat. They've been waiting all day for me to get home. Man, I'd like to really sit on porch somewhere. I'll let them eat. Then I'll come out. Got all kinds of other nuts and fennel seeds and stuff like that in there. We'll take one last look. Let's give you the full scope. You see trying to zoom in, but my fingers are so cold. Okay. Wish you could see the snowflakes, but you hopefully got them at your own place. Well, I have an excellent little set up here for my critters. I think I'll go sit inside. I guess now I can turn on some lights, and I just got so excited I came straight outside the bedroom. So, I could turn the heat off or sit here. I don't have any lights on, but let me back up and show you what I mean. Grab my chair, park it right there, leave the lights off, and just take in the snow. Let's end it with a good shot. Oh, I didn't scare them off again. You didn't see it, but okay. The last shot will be this: the warm lamp. The vintage kerosene lamp I got off of eBay. Snow falling. I should just leave the camera on. Why don't I do that? That's an idea. Don't reckon anything would. Okay, folks. If weather can be gorgeous, I'm a guy, I don't use that word much, but that's what this is. If you're romantic, you gotta maximize. Look at they're big flakes too. Oh gosh, I can't go in just yet. Let's try and get a little bit of something with some dark background so you can see the snow. You know what? Let's close this door. Zoom out. And let's sit down. Yes, I'm freezing. Okay. Oh, that's a cold swing. Goes right through the britches. Look at that. You swinging with me? There you go. Yeah, let's just, you don't want to see me, you want to see the snow. I'll show you this beside me. The cast iron butterflies that I bought. Stephanie, my daughter, liked butterflies. So I added that one there. And one on this side. Got a mahogany porch swing. Normally all the planters would have plants. I just look at the snow. Got the lantern. I could bring the lantern over here to get warm. I'll hold the camera still. Hang on. Let me get out there so you might see the snowflakes. Okay, there we go. I don't guess you'll get woozy from watching me swing. What would be amazing is if the birds wouldn't be scared. Won't be long, be all kinds of plants and things growing, flowers. It's gonna be aggravating me swinging while you're trying to watch. Let's hold still. Okay, you gotta get this view. Let's get my feet up. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's comfy. Okay, now, if I'll stop moving, I'm gonna try and get it so you can see the flakes coming down. Okay, let's zoom in. Look at that. And I bet you're inside missing every bit of this. You gotta get cold. Look at me, I'm here on my I have managed to squeeze on my porch swing. Some other folks. See all that snow coming down. Look at that. Don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what the screen is telling me. But there's a nice shot. They have these newly built, where's my finger? There it is. Newly built 2-bedroom units for rent. I think $1,800 a month, not bad. Right across from me. So I could use some neighbors. Look at those porches. My porch is double. Zoom in. They're paying only $1,800 a month. And they get half the porch. What I've got, I have double the porch. Ta-da. Reverse the camera. Yeah, you can't see a darn thing except me. So move in those units over there, newly built. I need some neighbors. $1,800 a month over there. Sorry, I'll hold still. I'm just trying to get bundled a little bit better. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I was trying to show the, you can't see it behind me. Okay. Let's get some artistic. Right, there we go. Look at the snowfall. I should have brought the lamp over here with me. And I'll bet nobody's watching. I don't have my glasses on. Don't say a word. Something flew up here, but I don't know what it is. Oh. Don't say anything. There's some birds. And there's 2 squirrels. So we'll try to film them. Don't say anything. You still there? Okay. And did you notice that? My porch lights just came on. I have them on a timer. So they're about as bright as the kerosene lamp. So now we got some light. Can you see me now? Now, if you're a romantic personality, this is right where you'd want to be. If you're not, you'd be inside that room looking out the window. But you want to feel the cold and feel the snowfall. It's just barely coming in on my feet. You can see it landing there on the arm. We don't get a really great looking snowfall much, so I want to be out in it and feel the cold. Feel the cold. Oh, there's another one. Can you hear it? I can't, so you have to let me know. You have to say something if it's making noise. I can't hear anything unless it's a train. Okay, hold still. Ooh, I know. Hear that? Let's go stealth mode. Okay. more fishy, fishy, fishy. Y'all got a message if it's making noise out here. I don't hear anything. I can see them. Darn it. I moved. Scared them all off. I was trying to... My hand's so cold. Okay. Can you see me? You think? Okay. Hold still. I should... If I open an app to turn my lights off, it might cancel the live feed. Okay, I think you can hear they're coming in. So you see the bird feed, bird seeds I have all along the rail. Then in the shell, right above the lantern, the kerosene lantern. There's the, oh, you can't see in it, but anyway, yeah. A lot of nuts and seeds. Zoom out. It's freezing out here, but that's part of the charm. We never get a nice snow. What's the neighbors? Are they outside? Oh, but again, you all, they built new units. I need some neighbors. Just $1,800 a month. Those are 3 or have been rented out. You'd be right across from me. And then they built those units. And then way up there, they list them as luxury apartments. I don't know. I just know they're nice. But you got a big porch like here, big enough for my big butt to sit on a swing when it should be inside. That bar right there is for doing pull-ups. I'm sure y'all remember what pull-ups are from gym class, but I like doing pull-ups. I think it's good no matter how old you get to be able to at least move your body. If you get injured or accident or something like that and you need to, surely you should be able to at least pull your body up and out of something. You don't have to be Rocky Balboa and do 1,000. Just, okay, look at the snow. I'm starving. They let us out of work early, so I knew this won't happen very often. We get a good snowfall. But, okay, time to go in. I think I'll keep the little birds away by sitting out here enjoying. I've been out here long enough. All weekend off. Nothing to do, nowhere to go except create designs for my slogan and to sell and eventually work from home. Oh, I just noticed whenever it's really cold, that one bulb does not come on. They're LED. Just specifically that bulb. Once it gets warmer, it comes on like the others. Okay, time to go in. I've been hiding so that I wouldn't scare the... There it is. Of course that would show up when let me see if I can make the camera flip over. No, it's gone. Okay, anywho. Let's go ahead and change out of work clothes. Get some dinner. I just wanted to share the excitement. Hopefully you got to enjoy some of the snow by being out in it. Let's see what's happening around. Yep, I scared them off. Well, so let's get inside. We will close by zooming in on this nice warm vintage. It's a vintage lantern. Can't remember what year it's from. Man, it's putting out the heat. I think I'll leave it lit all evening. Okay, you folks, get with it and enjoy your weekend.